feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. Just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Hey you guys, happy Vlogmas. Today I'm gonna be sharing my tree unboxing and decorate with me. I hadn't been to Big Lots in such a long time, and I saw that they had so many beautiful Christmas decor, Christmas decorations, as well as Christmas trees, and I found this 7-foot flocked pre-lit tree for $120 there. I thought that was a great deal. So if you guys want to see me unbox my Big Lots tree and decorate it, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's find the Christmas tree that I see. Oh, I think it's that one. Yes. Oh, I like it. Oh. 7-foot Lake Tahoe. Yeah, that's the one. 120. Hold on, let me film it. I got my Christmas tree. I got my Christmas tree. Okay, so we're about to unbox our Big Lots tree. We got, what is that? So you can fasten it?
I think it's extra light.
Okay, Gisella's sleeping. So I separated the couches. So we have one over there, and we're gonna put the tree right in the middle there.
When we put this one up, we're gonna have 4
Warning
trees.
for allergies.
Babe's already complaining about the flockness. We liked this tree because it wasn't too flocked, right? It just looks like it's just sprinkled with snow. And I like the branches of it. It looks like realistic. It doesn't, I'll give you guys a close-up. The branches.
Okay, which one's the first?
Look at, they look realistic. It doesn't look like tinsel. Yeah. So we're gonna decorate our tree. The theme is Winter Wonderland. We're gonna have lots of bling, snowflakes. This is the tree topper that I also got from Big Lots. Oh, here's the outside of the box so you can see it. And there's Josie.
Check if there's a marking. Oh, yellow. It's by color, right?
Hi, Princess.
Look at that's yellow.
You don't have your Christmas PJs on. Oh, okay, yellow. So this is the tree. Winter Wonder pre-lit flocked tree. So I'll try to have links to everything that I use for my tree and everything that I bought in the description. I got that off of Amazon.
We are returning just now.
This is from Hobby Lobby. These are from Big Lots. I found these at Ross, and then I have a couple of Dollar Tree ornaments. Like, look, I found some really cute stuff at the Dollar Tree, so I just picked up a couple of little things there. And then I'm going to use just silver and white ornaments that I've had from previous years. And yeah, it's going to be a winter wonderland.
Mommy, can I keep this box?
No. Yeah. So it's hinged, so you just bring it down. That's the beauty of these trees nowadays. You never put up a Christmas tree when you were little, right? Well, back in the day, you had to put every single branch on the tree.
Yeah, I remember helping you.
Oh yeah, you did.
Put my first Christmas tree with you.
Dang. It like just barely fits right here, right? Boy, there's only 3 pieces that you have to stack up. Then you connect the cords to light it up. And then you just have to fluff it.
Aha.
Alright, Jason.
Mommy, help me.
Are you stuck?
Yeah. Too bad.
You want to go put on Christmas PJs?
Here, I can. Ah, you're so heavy. Oh, you're so heavy.
It's kind of messy with the flockiness. My shirt
Daddy,
is
she's
getting
eating your almonds.
This is actually the first tree we ever purchased. You know that?
Why?
Because the other tree that I had, the little one, my mom had bought that one for me. It was like $20 from Walmart. The tree was like $20 from Walmart, and she bought it for me. When we lived in the apartment, she bought it with the little ornaments and the tree topper and lights. So that tree, I put it in my in the porch.
Well, this is fast.
And then this is the first tree we ever buy.
I'm not liking it.
Yeah, the blackness is messy, but I just love how it looks. Look at it.
Took off all my own. You could have taken them away from me.
Oh my god, I'm excited.
She's eating some from the floor.
Put them in there one at a time to get them.
I like this size. It's like a perfect size. So I consider a living area like a small space. So I think this is a great tree for a small space. Right? Because it's like not too big.
We could
It's
have
not
fit a
too small.
9-footer in here easily.
We could. I was thinking
A
of getting an
10-footer.
Amazon. I saw a tree on Amazon that was 9 foot for only $123. Oh no, $132. And I wanted it so bad, but I was afraid that it wasn't gonna fit.
We could have put a 9-foot.
But it could have fit. But it wasn't pre-lit, and I didn't know if I wanted white. And so I just decided on this one.
Mommy.
You know, yesterday I checked on Amazon, and that tree, that 9-foot tree, was $175. It went up, and there was only one left.
Oh, it went up in price.
Yeah. Can you put Jesus Christmas sneakers on there while I do this?
Where's your Christmas tree?
In her drawer. She has red ones and pink ones. I don't know.
Okay, does he pick this up?
Giselle, do you like your Christmas tree?
One. Or there's still. On the floor.
I didn't see those ones.
We have to figure out how we're going to store this tree though later. Fine.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Ah! Look at it.
Oh,
It's cute.
it's nice. Look at it. It was way faster than the regular tree.
Oh, I think it's so cute.
Thunder looks like snow?
Huh?
What?
What?
Thunder does not look like snow.
Boy, it's just an illusion.
Look at it. It's gonna look better just as well. That's it. Oh snap! Look at that. Man, couldn't have done it better.
Babe. Let me see. Really? Is that okay? Only 3 little rows of...
I actually like it because then you can do a lot more with the ornaments. Like, yep. I'm gonna put the first one up.
Okay. So those are the... So these are the only 6 of these I have. So they just have to be spaced out evenly throughout the tree.
Energies.
I feel like this is...
Mommy, bring her over here, Mommy.
You want to put an ornament on the tree? Okay, let's put an ornament on the tree, okay? This one. You want to put this one on the tree? Okay.
Aha! Is that too low?
No, it's a Mommy.
Let's go first, no?
Okay, so I had stopped putting ornaments on my tree. I left it just like this because there was a row right here. Like this whole section didn't have lights. And I mean, the lights weren't working in this whole section. And so I was thinking, okay, I'm not gonna put on any more ornaments because I think I'm gonna have to take everything off and return my tree. So I left it like that. I think it's been like 5 days now that I just left it, just thinking about, okay, I'm gonna have to take this down and call them. But today the lights are on, so I don't know what happened. I'm calling it a Christmas miracle. My lights are now working. I don't have to take down my tree. I can finish decorating it and finally put the star on the top. So I'm happy. Okay, so this is the final result of my Christmas tree. I am in love with it. I think it's so beautiful. It's like a great size. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's 7 foot. And then the star topper is also from Big Lots. It was $8, but then it had 20% off. I might stop at Dollar Tree to get more of these snowflakes. I really like these. And also my little angel wings. I am obsessed with how these look. And I'm in love. I'm obsessed with all this glitz and glam. And I told you it was a Christmas miracle that my lights started working. I told Babe about it and he was like, no way. He's like, how did that happen? Because he thought probably the wiring was wrong or something. But I don't know. It's a Christmas miracle. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys liked my Christmas tree. Stay tuned to my channel because I'm going to be filming a Christmas house tour. I'm going to be sharing all the decorations throughout my house and where I bought them. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of all my future uploads. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!